All right, here we are to talk about our #1 best-selling dining table. That is the Merrick 84-inch oval dining table done in a mango wood. You can see the veneers here, but really just a gorgeous look to it, and that's really what has made it our best seller. We've partnered it here with the Randall dining chairs here, which really give it a great look. But the chair that we really want to talk about over here is the Laurel chair. I think first thing you're going to notice is it looks like a teddy bear fabric, and it really is. It's super duper comfortable and just sits really well. So a comfortable chair that you're going to sit at the table. One of the things we want to talk about is this guy's on casters, and what kind of casters they are is they're steel casters. And the reason that they're steel casters is because they roll better on carpet, on a rug, whatever it is, and they're going to last. They're not like plastic casters, they're going to break. So they just sit really, really well, and makes it so that it really accentuates this table that already makes our #1 best-selling table just great. You're going to see this chair in other places, but wanted to highlight this 84-inch oval table just because it's so popular. Looks great with all these chairs.